Hi guys, today's video is a Sunday reset, get it all done with me video where I am sharing with you a grocery haul, just some cooking for dinner, and I'm also going to be doing a little bit of cleaning later on. So I didn't really do any sort of intro to this video, so I wanted to kind of hop on here and say hi to you and welcome you to the video. So I'm just making us breakfast for the day, and then we're gonna go and do some grocery shopping later on. Okay, so before I go grocery shopping, I actually went ahead and took out all of the meats that are in my freezer right now because I want to make sure that I am not being wasteful. I've definitely bought a lot of extra meat in the last few weeks, and you guys have seen that in my grocery haul. So I am going to, before I make my meal plan for the week, I just kind of look through to see what do I have and what do I need. So I know I'm probably not going to buy any meats because I have everything here. I have some shrimp, I have some ground beef. I also have, I believe this chicken thighs, some ribs that I was going to make yesterday, but I didn't. I also have some chicken breast, some bacon wrapped scallops that I picked up at Costco previously. We got some of this chicken left over, a huge thing of salmon. My kids are really wanting to say hi, and some ribeye. So this should be enough meat for the whole week. So I'm just gonna be focusing mostly on fruits this week and maybe some more veggies. I do have veggie blend and I have some other frozen vegetables in the freezer as well, so probably not gonna buy too many veggies. Gonna try to use as much as what I have here so that I can not be wasteful. But this is pretty much gonna be what I'm making. Okay, so now I'm going to share with you guys what we got. This is going to last us for at least 2 weeks. So let's go ahead and get started. Here we have cereal. My kids really love this cereal. And then I've been really liking Krusties. So we've got the pancake and the waffle mix. And then I got this salted caramel brownie mix as well. Some powdered sugar because we are out. And then we got some salad, romaine, and American blend. And then I also bought this tortillas. These are going to be for the kids' lunches. Mushrooms. My kids really love mushrooms, so I always have to get those. We got blackberries. We got some grapes, black and green. And then we got croutons, eggs, sugar, and bread. And then my kids really love this, and they're also really good for easy snacks. So we got the yogurt and we got the veggie ones as well. And then we've got broccoli, some asparagus, banana, and corn, my Kalamata grapes. These are the ones that I love. I always love this, and I like to add them to salads. Some strawberries. They didn't really have good strawberries this time, so I just got what I could. Some roasted turkey, and then some salad dressings. I like these ones from Primal Kitchen, so I got Caesar and Greek. We got onion, some mixed bell peppers, spinach, and beets. These ones I got from Costco. I want to put them in salads as well. And then we got this fruit punch and some potatoes here, sweet potatoes, cucumbers, mangoes, apples, avocados, pears, kiwi, and then we also have some mixed fruits frozen fruits for smoothies. And then we got some blackberries. And then we got also, I have been really liking this, and the kids really like this Oreo cones, so I got some of those. And then we also got some apple juice. My kids really like these ones. So we got apple juice and this Mighty vitamins A plus C plus E. These ones I use for my floors, and some Cheez-Its. I've been really liking this lately, so I've been getting it a lot more than I usually do. We really like these chips, Boulder Canyon chips, and we really always get the classic ones. These ones are also good for the kids' fruit rolls. And then I went crazy on the candy, so we've got Twix, Snickers, and mini eggs. I mean, it is close to Valentine's Day, so yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this week's grocery haul, guys. Okay, so for dinner, we ended up having some lamb chops. This was actually my first time cooking lamb chops, and they turned out pretty good. They're very tiny, as you can see, but they were really good. Um, I have really been focusing a lot on like quick and easy dinners, because sometimes, especially when I'm, doing this Sunday resets, like I tend to spend so much time out doing grocery shopping, doing all the other things. So there's really not that much time to get a large dinner prepared. So having like a quick and easy dinner saves me so much time, and it's just convenient. So this was definitely a quick and easy one that was really really good. I told you guys before that I usually get my meat from like a local international market store, and they usually only sell their meat on Fridays. So I always have to like buy a large amount of meat whenever I go there, just in case I don't go back to that area again. So I usually will kind of stock up on meat quite a bit, just to avoid having to you know buy every week, and especially now with the way groceries are really expensive. But this is the final product. I made this with some zucchini, squash, and some mushrooms. My kids love mushrooms, so I like to add it to everything. And then we just had it over some mashed potatoes, and it was a really good dinner. So I also cleaned my kids' car seats, which were really dirty. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on here, and then just doing a bit of cleaning here and there.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You came right out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you,
And you got me too.
we can always make it through. What we do is what we do.
I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you.
You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me.
I've been saving you, and you save me too.
got you. And you got
And
me
the last
too.
thing that I did here was to just place the car seat covers into the dryer. And then I just washed my kids' backpacks and lunch boxes. I usually do this every week. Usually I'll do them on Friday when they come back home. But sometimes I forget to do it on Friday. So I end up having to do it on Sunday. But I like to get those done, just so they're clean and ready for the week. But if you like this video, leave me a like and a comment down below, guys, and I'll be seeing you on the next one. Thank you for watching.